Hi, I'm Tony Anczer, your Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland real estate agent. Today we're here in the Olthof Homes community of Canyon Creek in Schererville, Indiana, looking at the Sage Model. Hey, before we head inside, let's take a look at the outside. At this model here, the yard is yet to be completed, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take a walk along the sidewalk and just show the house from a little bit of a distance. The Sage Model features open concept living. You have 3 bedrooms with a loft and a second floor laundry, all on the second floor. The owner suite has a deluxe bath and walk-in closet. The kitchen showcases maple, soft close cabinets, under cabinet lighting with a backsplash, stainless steel appliances, an island, and a large walk-in pantry. Cozy up to electric fireplace in the great room, oak railings, staircase to the second floor, upgraded flooring and lighting, patio plus a 2.5 car garage. All right, so as we walk in, you can head straight to the great room, the combined living room and kitchen, or we can hang a left here to a coat closet and a half bathroom. It's got the sink, toilet there. All right, so as we head into the home, we'll tour the basement in a second, but this is the door to the basement. On the stairs, I love how it's got the switchback stairs, so it goes up to a landing and then comes around back. I've noticed that's been a great feature for people that have somewhat limited mobility, that little landing area makes a world of difference on being able to travel upstairs. All right, this specific lot in the Canyon Creek Subdivision has this awesome view and a walking path out there. So that's something very nice and specific to this house in this subdivision. You're gonna see here that little patio area comes standard. Checking out the kitchen. Again, this home does have the under cabinet lights, which is a great feature. It's really nice at like nighttime and you just want a little ambient lighting, but not a full light on. Got a dishwasher. Large island here. And what's nice about these islands is that they've got this overhang here so you can set up stools here, and it makes a great place just to pull up a stool and eat a meal or just hang out. There's extra seating during party events too. So we'll take a look over here to the walk-in pantry. And who doesn't love the walk-in pantry, right? This is really good sized. And these, as I mentioned earlier, these are all soft close drawers. So this is gonna take us to the garage, and this house has this lovely built-in here. I mean, that looks awesome. You sit down, put shoes on, off, you can hang up jackets or book bags. Right across is a roller door coat closet. And this leads us to the 2.5 car garage. And this is a pretty good sized garage. So you could definitely fit 2 cars and have storage, or this goes way back here. So you get all this extra space here. You often see people put in an extra refrigerator or freezer, or you could do shelving here. This is really good size. The ceilings are high here too. All right, we're gonna head upstairs. All right, as we walk upstairs, I just wanted to mention again that, if you have any questions with this home or any other Olthof homes or homes in the area, I'd love to help you out. Please feel free to reach out. Information's on the screen and below in the description. All right, so upstairs, this is the laundry room. So you got the upstairs laundry room. Here is the loft area, and these are nice because these can be a number of different things. You make it office space, you can make it like if you got kids, a living room for the kids. We got a full bathroom upstairs. Closet here, a little linen closet. So this is a 3-bedroom home. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's got a slider door closet here. Love how I got the angle wall, a little architectural, eye appealing. Another slider closet here. And again, on this house, it's on the lot location, just amazing. Like, it's an amazing view. We'll head over to the master bedroom now. Yeah, this is a spacious bedroom. All right, and then this bathroom is also amazing. You got the double vanity sinks here. Got a toilet there. You got a really nice size walk-in shower. And with I love that window back there. You don't see that often, to have a window with natural light bringing in right into the shower. Nice size tub here. And so now we're going to head downstairs. Oh, I missed the walk-in closet. Here we go, can't miss that. So this is a really nice size walk-in closet also. Here, so now we're gonna head downstairs. Let's check out the full basement. The staircase has a switchback to it also. Alrighty, you walk in, got a little storage under the stairs. They make the most use of all this available space in the basement here. And here you see they have the emergency escape window. So these are ones that are usually drop in a ladder at some point, but these windows open real easily. And if you need to exit an emergency situation, you've got access to leave the basement right from there. I hope you enjoyed this home tour as much as I have. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'd love to help you find your next home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around town.